a remote job that hire you instantly, the best part of it is that you don't need experience or someone asking you what will you do or where will you be in the next 5 years. What you do, apply for the job. If get accepted, you will start working immediately. Instantly does not mean money in your bank account. It means you won't be screened or interviewed. What you do, just go ahead, sign up, apply for a job. If get accepted, you will start working immediately. The real money comes when you do the real job. You will be paid. Anyone asking you to pay any money to sign up to any website is a lie. This website is not a get rich quick site. Before you sign up to any website, make sure you study everything about that website, the payment method, how legit that website is, so that you not end up wasting your time. I'll be walking you through step-by-step process on how you can successfully sign up to this website. Make sure you watch this video from start to finish. I'm still Shavera. In this channel, I teach legitimate online jobs, AI platforms, websites that make you money from the comfort of your home. If that sounds like what you want, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. Okay, this is the official website. Userlytics, all-in-one user testing and US research platform. Remote users testing with Userlytics, get real customer feedback and improve US and usability for your website, app or digital experience. Now this is how the website is, so let's get inside the website and see. Okay, this is how the interface look like. Users testing AI speed. Userlytics emerge the depth and control of human-centered research with the speed and scalability of AI-powered insight generation in one unified US platform. Access the largest global participant panel backed by enterprises, great support and transparent pricing. So user testing panel finds the ideas participant for your research. Now our testing website panel participants are spread across the world, so you can test with users in their natural environment. We will help you find the target personnel you are looking for, get powerful insights and make data informed decisions with the Userlytics state-of-the-art user research platform. Get a free US report. So this is their interface. Please, before you sign up to this website, make sure you study everything about this website. Make your research. This is not a get rich quick site. It's a site that you have to put in the effort, work, and you'll be paid for. What this platform is all about is a kind of a platform that gives you the opportunity to test an app or a website or a prototype. Now your work here is to be able to give them humanly review about a particular app you use or a website that you use or a prototype. Now your work is to give them if the app is very helpful, useful, very easy to access or very difficult to access. Now you're going to give them this information honestly by telling them how easy it was for you to access the website or how confused the website was for you to access. So this is just the basic work here. It's the ability for you to review your natural human experience. So you need to be sincerely while doing this work, because these companies want to know more about launch this website or even after they have launched the website or app. So you need to be very honest in reviewing your form. So in this kind of work, I don't think you really much experience. What they want is your natural human review insight of a particular app they ask you to use or a website they ask you to use. So it's the ability to give them feedback. You record your feedback very loud and upload and send to them. Now there are two types of review they do here. It's like one of them is one-on-one research. You and the researcher will speak one-on-one, and the other one is like you recording the full video, record it loud, your experience, your insights loud, then send it to them, so you will get paid. Trusted by global brands shaping outstanding digital experiences. They have over 2 million plus participants, 150 plus countries, 60 languages, and 24-hour support thousands. So this is how the platforms looks like. The intelligences to move faster plus all the tools to get it right. One platform with everything it takes to turn users research into confident product decision. AI insights, AI annotation. They have AI transit translation, AI chart summarizing, we have sentiment analyzing, mixed method testing, methodologies. They have global panel, advanced reporting and metrics. They have mobile testing, they have prototype testing. So these are the kind of job you are expected to do. Now this basically means you don't really need to be an expert in tech or have 10 years or 20 years experience before you can do this. Is the ability to understand a particular app that you have used, your ability to explain it louder to them. So this is what this thing is, this is all about. Now this payment, they pay through PayPal, and their payment lands 15 days after you have done your work. So the moment you finish your work, they need to review your work, then they pay you after 15 days. So if you want to sign up to this site, you come to this place that says overview, product and service, resources, pricing, client, testers login. So we'll click on this get paid to test. Now this is how the form looks like. I've had a lot of people saying that they sign up to a platform and they were not able to get job, or they have been on wait list for some time. Now there are two things that can make you not to get job the moment you finish signing up to platform, that can in fact make you stay long without getting job. The first thing is not being able to complete the profile very well. That is one. Another thing is that not being able to fill the whole forms or answer the more questions that you expected to ask. Now remember, the more you answer questions to all these platforms, the more you make your profile more active, the more likely you are to get job. So you need to follow this video step by step. Don't miss any part, and put your email address. 16 years old or older. So here you're signing, get paid to test and shape the future. Become a virtual part of our global community dedicated to enhance usability worldwide. Looking for a side hustling, test new product and service, share your opinion and get paid for it. Apply and become a paid user now. So you submit it here. Now here it says your account has been successfully created. Please check your email for login details. If you do not receive any email in your inbox, please check your spam folder. So let's go get the email to log in. Okay, this is the email. Dear tester, welcome to the Userlytics community. To get started and gain access to paid testing opportunity, please confirm your email address by clicking the button below. So we can copy this link. So copy the link and go to your browser, press it, then search. Okay, this is where it brought us. Yes, thank you for registering with Userlytics. Configure your account. Here is where you fill the details that you need to fill. Payment method is PayPal. Now, if what you do here is that you put the email of your PayPal, put the email address of your PayPal to this place. For now, the only payment method accepted for this Userlytics is PayPal. So this is the form, how the form look like. This is where you fill your forms and continue. If you did not properly fill your forms, properly fill your profile very well, it may take time for you to get jobs. Okay, let's go step by step to fill these forms. First name, last name, date of birth. I'll put my PayPal email this place. So you put your PayPal email here, then the gender, you pick which gender you are. A very strong password. Always make sure you go for a strong password. So you agree to the terms and conditions. then continue. Okay, this is it. Thank you for registering with Userlytics. Verify your account. So you need to enter your country's first name. Now, thank you for registering with Userlytics. Okay, they have sent the link, so let's go and confirm it. Okay, thank you for registering with Userlytics. It looks like your account is already active. If you remember your password, you can log into your password on this page, or if you forget your password, click on forget password button to log into a new password. If you have any question, please let us know by responding to this email. Thank you. So my account is now active. So the next thing we should do now, you will receive a new link and email associated with that. So they will send me a new link. So guys, this is how far I can go for now. So this is how to successfully sign up to Userlytics. Make sure you use a valid email address, and make sure you are signing through the country where you are, so that when you want to do country verification, it won't be a problem. Please calm down and fill your profiles very well. Answer every question they ask you. The more you ask question, the more you make your profile more active, the more likely you are to get job. Make sure you answer your profile questions very well. Make sure you study this website very well before you sign up. The decision is still yours. Make sure you study the website very well. Make your research before you sign up to the website. So guys, if you find this video interesting or helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video to get to other people. See you when next I come. Bye bye.